Within Business Central, key things that would be important for salespeople come down to the customer number. That can be, depending on the system, manual or it will be automatic. The name of the customer. We have their search name, which may be different to what we have them in their actual name. The salesperson code, which may be related to commission and related to the salesperson being able to turn around and be recognized for that commission. Whether the customer is blocked. Next things that are important for us, we should be registered for tax. We want to make sure they have a current address that's available. We want to make sure that we understand when we're going to get paid. So how we're going to invoice them is their defaults and payment terms. How we then get paid in response. Other than this, the shipping details is the location where we'll be shipping the goods to. And then the related table is related customer, ship to, and contacts, which is always important to maintain multiple contacts per customer and multiple shipping addresses where the customer has multiple office locations. Thank you.